Good morning. So today is June 30th and today's refinishing project is located in Antioch, California. Let's take a look at what we're going to be refinishing today. Alright, so we have this bathtub here, a standard bathtub. It looks like it's been refinished before. So when we run into these that have been previously refinished, basically what we do is we fully strip them off to get it back to the original surface, which this one is like a mauve old color type of cast iron bathtub. And so I'm going to strip this totally off, this old coating, start from scratch, fully prep it, and refinish it. To strip and refinish this bathtub will take around 4.5 hours to get it fully completed. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's the finish up video of the bathtub here in Antioch, California. Let's take a look. So we fully stripped it off and prepped and refinished it. Took about 4.5 hours to get it done. There we go. So if you're interested in any of our services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks again for watching.